If you have all of your homework completed, then you can bring it up now. We had 16 out of 20 with homework, so that would be 80%. I'll show you the answers, and then we'll go back after we look at all the answers, and you can ask me about your own and see if it would also count. Number 1, the product of 2 and the quantity squared of the sum of a number and 1. 2, the difference of 9 and the product of 2 and a number. 3, the sum of 6 and the quantity squared of the difference of 2 and a number. 4, the quotient of the difference of a number and 1 and 2. 5, the quotient of 1 and the sum of a number and 3. 6, 3 less than the quantity squared of the sum of a number and 2. 7, the sum of 4 and the product of 5 and a number. 8, the sum of 2 and the product of 3 and a number. 9, 1 less than the product of 4 and the quantity squared of the sum of a number and 5. 10, the quotient of the sum of a number and 5 and the difference of a number and 1. Today is the Algebra 1 pretest. We'll do this today and tomorrow. It's a requirement for Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. And we have to gather the data, make a plan for the year, and then you take a post-test sometime at the end of March or the beginning of April, and the two results get compared to see that we've actually made some progress during the year. Part 1 is what you're going to get first, and you cannot use a calculator on Part 1. So at this time, all the calculators have to be under your desk, and the only thing you need on your desk is some blank paper and something to write with. All the notebooks and everything else would have to go. When you finish Part 1, bring Part 1 to me, but you keep the answer sheet at your desk. Bring Part 1 to me, but keep the answer sheet at your desk. I'll give you Part 2 when you come up, and then you can get your calculator out for Part 2. Do not write on the tests. You can write on your blank paper and on the answer sheet. When you put your answers on the answer sheet and it's multiple choice, use capital letters and write neatly. This does not hurt your grade at all. You can't lose anything on this test. But I will give a homework pass to the top 10 scores, which means you can choose any day between now and the end of the first 9 weeks that you don't want to do homework, and you can use that pass at that time.